Reduce 750 by 1200 to its lowest form. To reduce to its lowest form, we divide both numerator and denominator by a common prime factor, till there are no common factors left. Except one, of course. You do know that when numerator and denominators are both divided by the same number, the value of the fraction does not change. We are going to use this property to reduce the fraction to its lowest form. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 375 by 600. Dividing both numerator and denominator, this time by 5, because both are divisible by 5, and we get 75 by 120. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 5 again, we get 15 by 24. Dividing both numerator and denominator by, this time the common factor is 3, we get 5 by 8. Now, 5 by 8 are co-prime numbers, as they have no common factors except 1. So 5 by 8 is our answer. 750 by 1200 reduced to its lowest form comes to 5 by 8.